everybody, I'm Tiff Howie from Broom Boat Sales, bringing you another full tour of one of our latest listings. Now, I'm here on board this Calypso 28. She's in a lovely condition and has recently benefited from an interior refit as well. She's a 1970 build fitted with a BMC 1.5 engine that's 36 horsepower. So without further ado, let's take a look. So let's take a little look around the outside of the Calypso Blue Belle. So you've got these lovely wide side decks. You've also got handrails that extend all the way around the boat. So it's really practical if you are going from the stern to the bow or vice versa. We've got a large area at the back, which is access to this back door, which leads into the master cabin at the back. But it also just makes quite a nice social area. There's storage out the back here too. And then these large pulpit rails, which have been added. You can see the chains in the centre there. We'll remove to grant access. You've also got deck cleats all the way around as well. Just above here, we're going to find the solar panel, and engine bay is located under there, which we'll show you in a bit more detail shortly. So out here on the forward well, you find quite a nice social area. So this will provide an area to sit out in the fresh air and sunshine, and also gives really easy access from inside the boat. Just here at the front, we also have an electric anchor winch, which is a super handy bit of kit to have on board. So this is one of our entrance doors. This is the forward entrance. We come down 2 steps here and we find ourselves in the saloon / galley. So you have this saloon seating area over on the starboard side. This table will drop down and there is an infill cushion then to make this into a pretty generous double berth. We've got lovely deep windows on both sides. This port window next to the helm position does slide back as well to open. And then just above us, we find a sliding roof. So here in the open position, you can see how much natural light that lets in. Your helm position is on the port side, and this has everything you need to maneuver this boat comfortably. So you have your throttle there. Just here, we touch this button, we find the reversing camera. So that is at the aft of the boat and is going to give you just some input when you are reversing into a mooring. We have our gauges there on the left, ignition there, and wheel. There are also some lights at the front. These are in a blue colour, as you can see, and more at the back as well, and it just gives that lovely little ambient lighting to the outside. Here we have the galley. This is on the port side. This has been refitted recently and is in a really nice condition. We have a 2-burner hob oven and grill, a large stainless steel sink, hot and cold mixer tap, and built-in drainage. There we have a Waco refrigerator, plenty of storage and worktop space as well. Just ahead there you find 2 40-volt sockets. There's also 2 40-volt sockets just behind the seating area of the saloon. And we're going to head back to the main cabin area. This is located at the aft. We find a large offset double berth. This is an Ottoman style bed, so there is storage all the way underneath that berth as well. There on my right, you'll see the infill cushion for the saloon area. We have a storage unit there. Just ahead, you have your electrics and switches for battery charger and the immersion water heater. And then there are some more switches here at the back. So again, we've got 2 40-volt sockets. You've got your water pump switch there, 12-volt socket, the rear lights and an engine bay light. And then to the right of that, we have more 2 40-volt sockets and control for the bilge pump. And again, windows in here are deep and let in loads of lovely natural light. Curtains to all windows as well. Just above here, we have the Eberspacher warm air heating, and then just above that is the unit for the solar chargers upstairs. So that shows the status of the solar power coming in. Going to take a look at the heads compartment. So this is ensuite to the main cabin. And here we have electric WC, that's a Jabsco, to a holding tank. We've got sink, hot and cold tap, storage underneath, built-in mirror there. The windows in this area are frosted for privacy. And then we have the shower. So this is an enclosing shower with the curtain there that pulls around, and that's really practical. It means the rest of your area won't get wet when you're using the shower. So here at the stern, we're going to show you the engine bay. I'll just point this out quickly. Here we have a fold up and down step, so that folds up to grant access to the engine room. This has great access here with this large opening hatch, so you can get to everything there really easily for all of your general maintenance checks. And just here at the back, we have your battery isolator switches and battery charger, and then your shore power connection is just there. Full tour on the Calypso 28 completed. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to come around on this tour with me. If you have any comments or questions, or if you'd like to arrange a viewing, get in contact and we'll come back to you. And please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, where we post all of our latest full tour videos. Thank you for watching.